What's up, guys? Jason at Hard Money Bankers with your Private Money Minute. Don't only rely on realtors and real estate agents. Now, it's totally fine to work with a real estate agent and help you buy a property, sell a property, value a property, determine what they believe their opinion is on the deal. There's nothing wrong with that at all. But what you cannot do is rely on them, rely on their accuracy, and only take their opinion. Now, keep in mind, your real estate agent or anyone else in the transaction does not have an economic interest in your project, right? So you're the one who has the economic interest. You're the one who has to be serious and a professional to make sure that the numbers are accurate. You're the one putting up the money, or your private investors are the one that's putting up the money. You guys are taking the risk. So you need to determine the property value. You need to determine your profit margins. You need to determine if it's a good deal or a bad deal, and you just can't rely on everybody else. Use everyone else as a resource. They're valuable, but just don't rely on them.